everyone, myself Madhumita. Today I am going to speak about Momentus, the space infrastructure company. This company was founded in the year 2017. Momentus plans to offer infrastructure services to support the growing space economy. With in-space transportation as our core service, our goal is to help our customers optimize the destination of space. Services. Momentus plans to offer in-space infrastructure services by building, transfer, and service vehicles that will carry satellites and hosted payloads between orbits in space. Last mile in space delivery. With the cost of launch desailing, it is now easier than ever to get a satellite dropped off at a common orbit. But many space-based applications need their satellites and cargo in highly precise orbits in other function. Momentum hopes to help. Charter service. Our offered charter service will grant customers exclusive use of transport and service vehicles offered at a fixed price. The customers will have dedicated access to the entire vehicle capacity to be delivered at an orbit tailored to the customer's needs. Shuttle service. Public transportation is affordable option. Arrive in space atop a large reusable rocket along with many other rideshare customers. And our transport and service vehicle will carry each satellite to precise custom orbit. It's the hub and spoke model in space. After the final drop off, our vehicles will deorbit but will be reusable in future. Refuel, reposition, repair, deorbit. We anticipate the next generation Momentus reusable vehicles equipped with robotic arms will be capable of performing proximity maneuvers, docking, and refueling, and will be well suited for an entire range of in-orbit services. Satellite as a service. After moving your payload to a specific orbit, we envision our vehicles will stay connected to provide continual power, orbit keeping, orientation, and communication for the mission duration. Announcing our service agreement with Zono Space Systems. In the US alone, over 300 billion of economic impact per year relies on Global Navigation Satellite System GNSS. Yet the only signals available to the public are unprotected, imprecise, and susceptible to disruption from easily obtainable jammers and spoofers. The reliability and performance of satellite navigation needs to drastically increase to support modern industries such as autonomous vehicles, aerial mobility, maritime automation, and many more. Zono Space System is developing a truly innovative system to enhance the reliability and precision of global PNT and GNSS. An infrastructure company, Momentus is excited to partner with other like-minded pioneers to help build out the future services needed to enable human presence in space while improving life on Earth. That's all about the company. Thank you.